Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video recipe is a mixed vegetable curry to serve along with rice or with idiyappams. I hope you find this video helpful. To begin, in a mixie jar, I'm going to add 3 tomatoes along with a sprig of curry leaves. Now blend this into a smooth paste. Here you can see the ground tomato paste with curry leaves is ready. Keep that aside. Next, I have taken a mix of vegetables. Here I have taken one small cauliflower, 200 grams of beans and 3 carrots. All I have cut into large pieces. Then I have capsicum and onion. Here I have taken 1 capsicum and 2 onions. This is a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 3 green chillies crushed in a mortar and pestle. 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce for the color and tanginess, and a handful of coriander leaves to garnish. To begin, in a kadai, I'm going to heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once it's hot, I'm going to add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a big pinch of fennel seeds. Now I'm going to fry these whole spices for few seconds and then add the ginger garlic paste. Fry the ginger garlic paste till the raw smell reduces, and once the raw smell reduces, time to add the vegetables. Here I'm going to add first the cauliflower, carrot and the beans, as these vegetables take some time to cook. Stir fry for a minute and then cook covered on medium heat for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can see the vegetables have turned a little soft, has got that golden yellow crust on it. Give a good mix. And now add the spices. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. Now mix well until all the vegetables are coated well with the spices, and stir fry till the raw smell of the spices reduces. Now I'm going to add salt. So here I've added a total of 2 teaspoons of salt, giving that a mix as well for the salt to dissolve well. And once done, adding the tomato paste and a little water. Now mix well so that the tomato paste is combined well with the vegetables. Then I've added here the capsicum, onion and tomato sauce. Once mixed well, add few coriander leaves. Now cook covered for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, give a mix. Here at this stage, the vegetables are almost 90% cooked. Now since I'm making a vegetable curry, so I'm adding coconut milk. This is 200 ml of coconut milk. Since it's thick coconut milk, I have added a total of 300 ml of water. Stir well. Now to add some texture and a tangy flavor, I'm adding curd. So here I've beaten the curd well and adding only 6 teaspoons of the curd. On low heat, mix well. And once mixed well, turn the heat to high and allow it to get a boil. Now you can see the consistency of the gravy. Once it gets a boil, cook covered on low heat for another 3 to 4 minutes until the vegetables are completely cooked. Do not overcook the vegetables, as then they will start getting mashed. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can see the vegetables are perfectly cooked. They hold their shape. The consistency of the gravy is perfect to serve along with rice or with idiyappams. Now this is done. I'm going to garnish it with the remaining coriander leaves. You can also garnish it with few green chillies and slices of ginger. Time to serve. So I served this with plain rice, papad, pickle and a little curd. I hope you found this video very useful and helpful. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.